We're rolling. You didn't come up with a nickname?
No.
Are you sure? Because you know what happened with the last one. All right, well, you remind me a little Goldie Hawn, so I'm going to call you Goldie. How's that?
That works.
You'll be Goldie. Not the dingy, laughing Goldie Hawn, but the more mature, smart Goldie Hawn. How's that?
That's fine.
Okay. All right, now tell us what's going on with your back.
Just feels like there's several knots in it and like a dull ache.
This
for
is
about 2 weeks now.
Oh, that's your blouse. Okay. All right. And so this is going on a couple of weeks. Did you fall or anything like that?
Nope. Just woke up one day and it was stiff and it just got progressively worse.
And it's keeping you up at night.
Every time I move, yeah, I can't sleep on my right side because that's when it kind of the achingness seems to be worse.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do some trigger point injections for you here, okay? Because we've already pre-examined you and we're pretty sure that you just have some muscle spasms with trigger points, and we're going to do some injections and see if we can't get you some relief, okay? You've already tried muscle relaxer, you've been to a massage therapist, did you go to chiropractor too?
No, I'm not a fan of them.
But you've been to several different you tried several different modalities and nothing's really helping you.
Yes.
Okay, so it's kind of appropriate for us to try this now, and so we're going to do that. So what I want to do is poke on you a little bit here and find the spots that hurt the most, and you're going to tell me, we'll find the four spots and then we'll inject those. So that should be one right there. Is that sore?
Not really.
Okay. You do have a little muscle there though. How about right there? Okay, say up, down, left, right.
Right.
Is it more in that area?
Yeah, well, yeah, right there.
Right
That's
there.
one for
Okay,
sure.
so I'm going to make a little dimple, a little spot, then down from there.
More up, I think.
More up from there.
Yeah, that's another one about right there.
Pretty close, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Part of me is sore too from that massage, so it's hard to tell unless you push a little harder.
I
If it's
see.
just a bruise or if that's a...
So they were pretty rough, huh?
Yeah.
How about up in here? Anything? Back over here?
It's pretty... Right.
Pretty
there where you
isolated.
Yeah, it's pretty
How about
much...
right there?
Yeah.
Okay,
It
so
seems like there's just one big knot or a bunch of little ones all like a cluster, kind of.
if we only need 3, we'll only do 3, but do we need anything further down this way? Does that hurt down in there?
Oh, right there hurts.
Oh, that does?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't realize it, but yeah.
Another spot there. All right, so let's go right here. How about here? Anything there?
Oh, right there. Right, yep.
And then how about right in the middle here? Not so much.
A little bit not, yep, right where that one.
Right there?
Yeah.
So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little spots there.
Wow.
Okay, so we'll do those. Let me get Gummy Jean in here and we will spray those and then give you some little injections. We got Gumby helping now. So we already found the spots.
Okay.
So I'm just going to go ahead and get that betadine. But I will need you, she's got a couple of little spots right at the top of the
Bra strap.
whatever this is. What do you call this? A camisole?
Yeah.
You are blocking a
I'm
little bit there.
sorry.
I'm going to be right here by you. So there's 1 spot, 2 spot, 3 spots. They look like freckles now. I've lost all our spots that we
I
found.
see 'em.
You see them?
Yeah, I see 4.
There's 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me get the alcohol, make sure we can find them. Definitely. There's 3. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
4, 5. And there was
You
one
lost the
little-
6. There you go, right here.
Yep.
You may want to mark that one again.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Oh, no, that's her freckle.
No, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, no, no. Look.
6.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
We got them all. We got it. We've done this once before, but just once. This is Goldie. She reminded me of Goldie Hawn. All right, so we got a 2 and a 2, so we're using triamcinolone. We're using 1% plain lidocaine, right, Gummy Jean?
Yes, sir.
All right. We're going to spray some cold spray, then you're going to feel a little bee sting. Are you ready?
Everything's gonna be.
Goldie, are you okay if we video your procedure for all our friends on YouTube?
That's fine.
All right, go. Stick. Stick. Good. Stick.
Sorry, I'm wasting this on you. I think I just froze the needle.
Stick. And the next spot's going to be right there. Stick. You're doing good, Gumby Jean. And the last one.
I think the cold spray is the worst.
Is the cold spray the worst or the
It didn't
needle?
really hurt. It just I could feel it going into the muscle.
Oh,
A couple of
deep.
just a little bit of pressure deep in the muscle. Yeah.
Let me rub this in for you real good here, okay?
Here, I got it.
I think we just need to put a little dressing on this. We're gonna put some little bandages on this for you. You were very brave, Goldie.
I'm gonna need you to pass me the band-aids because I'm holding her.
I will pass you bandages. Coming up right now.
They're already
The little
out.
ones?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Oh yeah, you did get some out, didn't you?
It's fine.
All right, Goldie, I hope that works for you, and I hope you feel better and you get a good night's sleep tonight, okay?
Me too. Thank you very much.
Thanks
No
for letting us do
cartwheels.
some trigger point injections on you. Those were fun.
Yeah.
Like, for who?
Well,
It wasn't
Painful.
so much that it hurt. I could feel it in the muscle, which
Right.
was weird. It was just a different sensation.
right. Well, using that cold spray really helps.
Yeah.
I think so, anyway. When I get injections, I always have them do the cold spray first, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so
Let
much.
us know how you do, okay?
Definitely.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.
You don't get to rehearse.
Do I say my name?
Nope.
Okay.
So tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
Hey, it's been great. Lots more energy. I was kind of in a slump and I wasn't working out, and I started the Meta 7. And I'm working out. I've got more energy. I don't want to nap or get that slump during like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
Wonderful. Do you feel jittery and shaky, any of that kind of experience
Not
with it?
at all. Not at
Feel
all.
natural.
Yes. Yes.
Terrific. Thanks for sharing.
Sure.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.